first did here, I took this housing, this one. I took that one off. I went to AutoZone and got these two right here. I got those two. These are the two rears. And let's get to installing them. Okay, so these, you just pop them on. To pop these on, you just push them in there and pop them off. You just pop them off. That's what I did for this one, and now they turn on. Let's now. Okay. This right here is what the bulb looked like burnt out. Alright, so what's up, guys? We're back at it. And this is what it should look like when you are all done. Those are the lights right there. And let's go ahead and turn them on from the main cabin. Just gonna make that noise because lights are on and left and right is on. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching.